Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new daily update and new video on Agix. Had to make a video on that. I mean, yesterday was a pretty indecisive day. We pretty much just moved sideways. And right now we're dropping. I mean, altogether you can also see that the price action is pretty weird. A lot of spikes, a lot of support, a lot of resistance. So in this video, I just wanted to explain why that happened and also what you can expect now and in the upcoming few days. All right, so that's what we're going to do. Now let's get right into that. Before we start with Agix specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find the instructions on how to join. All right, but now onto Agix. So basically what happened yesterday is that you could very well see it. The market structure just was still pretty bearish. And we never managed to break out. We never managed to break above 44 cents. Really, I mean, technically we did, but we never really had a break retest. We never broke above this trend line. We never broke above the 50 and 100 EMA. So we just respected the bearish momentum. And then when there was some bearish pressure with Bitcoin, we started falling as well. That's what's happening right now. Doesn't mean that there's no hope for Agix, but it's going to depend on some levels under us. So what I expect is that we will drop down to this level right here around 41 cents, and that really is our last hope. Now that there's quite a lot of support between 40 and 41 cents. So we're kind of being squeezed in a very narrow triangle, something like this. Here you can see. We're being squeezed in that little level, and we're going to break out. All right, that's one thing I'm pretty certain of. We're going to drop down. What we want to do is we want to break above 44 cents, after which we will take a break retest and get up to 48, 49, 50 cents, and then at least we're no longer bearish, right? So then there's a chance of having an uptrend, but at least we are no longer making lower highs and lower lows. This is what we want to see. Do I think this is the most likely scenario though? I'm not sure. I actually don't think so. It all depends on whether you think Bitcoin. Yes, it's going to depend on Bitcoin, unfortunately. It all depends on whether we can actually break above 28,700 and 28,900, yes or no. If we can actually break above that, I think that would provide so much bullish momentum that also means that Agix we'll be able to break above 44 cents and get up to at least like 48 cents. All right. And then we are no longer bearish. I think though that it is a bit more likely that we will not be able to break through 28,700, 28,800, and that we will instead start dropping down. How far? I'm not sure. But what that would mean for Agix, which just had a candle close, which is pretty nice. What that would mean is that we will drop down here towards 41, 44 cents, and that we will slowly also drop back down to 38 cents. And from there, probably consolidate for a little bit longer. I don't expect a huge crash or a huge downtrend for Agix. But I mean, this is quite a drop that we will have. So yeah, it's waiting for that. We'll have to see for Agix whether we can actually what will happen and what kind of support we will get at 40 cents, 41 cents. But for now, this is my take on that. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care, be careful in the markets, and bye.